Melanin Mafia. It's your favorite melanin queen back on the motherfucking scene. So you guys, we went and got this seafood boil, this bag. I have crab legs, a pound of crab legs, half pound of sausage, corn, potatoes, and some eggs that my baby threw in the pan, in the pot, well, technically. But yeah, I don't have my tripod, so this angle is very weird. It's not even, can you even see it? I cannot even see the food. I'm so hungry. It smells good. Sausage. Mmm. This place hidden.
I told you. Told you.
What's you talking about?
What are you hidden?
When you told me. Oh. Would you like to discuss a topic? Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
I don't know. Sure, you pick one.
I was gonna ask you if you have one. Oh, I didn't even show you. That meat. How's your muscle?
Amazing.
This salt is better. This sauce is hitting.
This the best bag we done had.
Yeah, this is
That's
hitting.
why I told you.
This sauce is like everything.
The other ones, that one we went to, the crustaceans.
Oh my goodness.
That shit sucked.
That was a whole mess.
Show you,
My
man.
nose, man.
Put you on, girl.
Damn.
Put you on.
Yeah, you be putting me on. What else?
Clutch. Excuse me.
All right, challenge. Here I come. Excuse me. Put some taller. There's gonna be more.
Such a guy.
Oh, really? So you be sucking my dick?
Get him already. You trifling, man.
I don't know. You called me a guy, so what did that mean?
Wait, we not even about to have this conversation. You talking about I'm sucking your dick. You blew it. I don't even want to talk no more.
Oh, girl, must spit out your beer.
Damn. Ask me on the camera if I'm sucking your dick. Yo.
If I had one, would you suck it?
Hell no. Just suck your own damn dick.
Why?
Well,
I would suck yours.
well, I wouldn't be fucking with you if you had a dick.
Well,
I like the way that pussy tastes in my mouth.
oh my God.
Oh my God. You just asked me about sucking your dick.
But what if, like, I don't know, some freak medical something, and I had a penis girl? Then what?
I'm gonna have to pass you on to the next one.
Oh my goodness! Oh, that is just wrong. Oh really?
What would you do if I had a dick?
I'ma suck it. What you mean? What are you talking about?
questioning the shit now. What do you mean?
Whatever. Cause I'm talking about like if like girls had penises or something and you had a penis or something happened and all of a sudden you had a penis. Like I'm gonna suck it.
Really having this crazy ass conversation that what if girls had penises and
just a hypothetical.
I'm not sucking your penis.
Oh, you just rude.
I get some lube and wear that bitch out, whack the hell out of it. I can't put that thing in my mouth.
Why?
No, I ain't gonna know that. I'm gonna bite it. I don't know what to do with it.
You gonna chew it?
I don't know what to do with it.
Oh, excuse me.
What are those? Can't go.
Oh, you're no fun.
So let's do like the other people be doing with the questions or whatever. So you asked me a question about you, and I got to answer it. And you asked me, and I, you know what I'm trying to say.
What kind of question are you talking about?
Like, what's my favorite color?
Huh?
Right.
You want to do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
I got stuck on your favorite movie though. That's like, dang, what is it? I remembered it though. What's my favorite number?
6.
I just said that yesterday. That's why you remember.
That's your line
when
number.
you.
Right. Don't go there. I told you I know you. What is one of my pet peeves?
Slow people driving slow.
She had me on camera the other day looking rough.
No, I didn't.
You did. You said what now?
People driving slow.
Come on, you gotta do better than that.
It's a pet peeve?
No, you gotta do better than that.
Aw, you a hater.
What's one of my pet peeves in a relationship?
You a hater.
What's one of my pet peeves in a relationship?
Having to repeat yourself.
Okay. You took that easy. You went the easy.
Whatever. What's the answer you wanted me to give?
Like, I don't like dirty nails and I don't like my ears lit. Like, stuff like that. We had these conversations.
Okay. That's like petty stuff. Like, I don't like dirty nails. Like,
it's still a pet peeve of mine. Like, I don't even remember you saying that. I don't like dirty nails. Like, why would I mess with a female with dirty nails? Like, come on, yo. You a female. That's petty. That ain't petty. That's a part of your normal hygiene. Like, why is your nails dirty? You a whole lady in these streets.
Right, but that's still...
Hey, it wasn't petty or not. That's a pet peeve of mine. I don't like seeing waxing folks' ears. Like, that bothers me. Like, I don't like that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm tearing the sauce up off my fingers. It's so
I'm waiting on the question.
I can't think of nothing. What's one of my pet peeves?
People not putting stuff back where they got it from.
Oh my goodness.
In the same spot. Don't put a big box beside the small boxes. Put the big box where the big boxes go. And liars.
Liars is top. You so petty. You said, You said like I done went off on you or something about you not putting something back.
Off, but if I put it back, if I don't do it the way you want it, you coming behind me and fix me. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, I ain't asking that question.
Uh-oh.
Put my business out there. What is my favorite brand of clothes?
That's easy. That's Tommy. And shoes is Air Max.
Right. Want to try something?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. Yo, your next one.
It's your turn.
You trying to skip my go. Okay. think we've discussed this. It's my favorite TV show.
Ooh. Big Brother.
Goodbye. No. I like Big Brother, but it's not my favorite.
Show? YouTube.
Shut up.
A show. Housewives. Damn.
Like, of all time.
Oh, a show or movie?
I said a show.
Oh no. And you probably can come with something off the wall too.
Different world.
We've
discussed this before. We have discussed that before.
We have not, yo. I remember one night we said we didn't like the Wayans brothers, and he was like, "Yeah, I can't really get into that." Blah blah blah. We've never had a conversation about it before. What year did I graduate high school?
Ooh.
Tell them my age.
Dang.
It should be very easy to you. No.
Huh?
It should be very easy to you. Like, I'm like, go tell me what year I graduated high school.
I'm cutting this out.
Why?
I don't know now.
Well, I ain't know the answers to that. I keep cutting mine out.
06? Oh, you didn't
I didn't graduate in 06.
You just say
I did not.
You graduate.
Bro, go ahead. You cheating. You cheating. And you can't even see
I can't. It's too
good. I graduated the same time you graduated. Same year.
Oh, before.
Oh no.
What are you talking about?
So you just don't know. Just give up, right?
I give up.
I graduated in 05. Why you looking like that?
Are you sure?
Bruh, I graduated. What do you mean?
Really?
It's right here in your face.
Well, I
too.
thought
What that say?
it's okay.
Go ahead, don't stop. We on this here.
But I thought you graduated state in 09.
I did.
But I thought you did it in 3 years, so that would have.
I graduated. I came a semester behind the state, so I got there in 06. I graduated in 09.
If you came in 06, that's a year later.
I graduated because I know the first semester started in what, September or something like that. I came that following semester. I came in January when the new semester started.
Oh yeah.
Hey. And then I graduated in December of 09. What year did I finish my master's?
Oh my goodness. It is not your turn.
That's all right. What year did I finish my master's?
This sauce is so good.
You don't know me.
Oh my goodness. $20, 15, 10, 11, 12. 14.
No.
Oh my God.
I didn't go right after I graduated state.
No, that's why I said it at 15 or
I
something.
graduated in 17.
What year did I get my master's?
You ain't got no damn master's. You tried it? Who just tried it? You said that shit like that. I no damn master's, Gina. Damn puppy. Alright, your go again. You got me too.
What year did I get my wisdom teeth pulled?
Oh. What the fuck? Are you serious?
Oh God. Oh my God.
2013.
We never discussed that. That's why it's so funny to me. I'm like, I know I never told you that. It's not potato. There you go. Now let me see a real question. Dang, did I ever say this to you? Probably. What number was I in my high school class?
I don't know. You a bookworm, so I'm gonna say 23.
A bookworm would be 23?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Number
You got me messed up.
Number 5. You was Uma Lottie.
But you got a math.
Uma. Summa cum laude.
No. We didn't have that in high school. First of all.
Shit, I don't know. I was retarded in high school. I barely graduated. I was happy to walk. Yeah.
What? What's your final answer?
16.
No, I was number 7.
Okay, excuse me. I was like number 237. Thank you. All right.
Excuse me.
What is my nieces and nephew names?
Oh man, you know I don't know the little boy name.
Oh, what?
Bird?
No.
That's a brother. That's okay. Dang. I don't know the little boy's name. What?
What's the other brother name?
Jason.
That's Bird.
Oh, all right. So then Brandon.
So what's the baby's name?
Little Brandon. Oh, okay. I never knew that. That ain't what you call him.
We call him Baby.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
God.
That's right.
Terrible. Okay,
That was a trick. Well, you knew I wasn't gonna know that. That's why you asked me
no,
that.
I really didn't think that you would not know his name. But go ahead, you ain't say the rest of them.
You know I know my girls. Carmela, Adrian, and Mary.
You go.
Trick question.
Well, no trick question. You talking Bird.
What extracurricular activities I do in high school? What? Okay,
You was on at the Glee Club. You was in the chess club. You was at the Honor Society. You was at the club for redeveloping Southside.
Now redeveloping Southside.
JRTC.
Oh God.
And
oh wow.
the Honor Society. You said extracurricular. You play basketball.
That's the other chick.
What?
Yeah, who getting who mixed up?
Ragged ass girls ain't playing no basketball. Lazy bastards. What was my extracurricular activity?
In high school?
High school and college.
First of all, you ain't get mine right.
Okay, I don't know. So what was it?
Marching band.
I'm playing the violin. Alright. I got it at the last minute. It's like Family Feud. I said it when you said it.
You said violin. Ain't no violin in the marching band.
That's the orchestra.
Right. You making up stuff trying to win.
What the hell you played in the marching band?
I was a flag girl.
Oh. That's new.
What?
You didn't tell me that.
I didn't tell you that?
No. That's why I didn't get that. I thought you was somewhere being a nerd.
I know we talked about me being in the band.
Yeah, but I thought you was playing the instrument in the band.
And you played the flute, and I said, no, I did the flag.
Stop that.
What?
Stop that. You done told the people I played the flute. Alright. So what did I do in high school and
You did
college?
boxing and softball.
That was an easy question. You'll go.
It's my favorite food.
You got a couple of them. I don't want to know. Pizza. You eat that like crazy. Oxtails, little peanut balls.
Wow.
What is it? Cuckoo, foo-foo, poo-poo. What is it? Your favorite food? Come on now, Ashley. Mangoes.
Mm-hmm. It's my favorite fruit, not my favorite food.
I mean, you eat it, it's food.
Oh. So you gonna make it right?
I mean, you eat it, right?
Hey, my favorite food.
Okay. Chicken.
No, that's your favorite food. Nigga, you such a
Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Lasagna or spaghetti.
Well, which one is it?
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Final answer.
Spaghetti.
No, lasagna.
You ignorant. God, you ignorant. You be lying because you ain't made a lasagna yet.
You a lie. I ain't never made lasagna.
You did make one.
Ori, but
she made lasagna one time, and
that don't mean it's that don't mean it's
spaghetti like every week.
First of all,
we got
only made spaghetti like no, I've only made it like 3 times, and lasagna is still my favorite. I just don't make. I like my mama's lasagna. That's my favorite. So, well, lasagna is my favorite food.
All right. What's my favorite dog? Breed of dogs. That's easy. You gonna get it.
Great name.
Yeah. So when we get one.
Nah.
I'm giving you easy questions.
Okay, question. How old was I when Rob was born?
I gotta do some calculating. You were 8, 7, 8. 8.
What's your final answer?
8.
That's not fair. You didn't know that from me telling you. You know that from count. Like, all right.
I knew Trey off that. 14.
See, why you don't play between Rob?
But we talk about that with all the time. We don't talk about Rob. What's my mama and daddy nicknames?
Oh, I got it now.
Oh, whatever.
Fuzzy and Chicken. Now you asked me that 2 days ago.
What did you? What did you call it the other day?
I don't know what I said the other day. I want that though. I want chicken. It was
pork chop. You said so.
It was some animal.
Animal. Alright, I got one. We'll go ahead.
Alright, we're gonna close on your last one.
What's my best friend's name? All 3 of them.
I think that was easy. Jasmine, Sharon, and Hunt. No.
I didn't think you was gonna get Sharon.
I got an aunt. Well, her name is Sharon, but we call her Sharon.
Sharon.
Aunt Sharon. Let's say Aunt Sharon. All right, y'all. So thank y'all for watching today's video, and we're gonna keep eating, but I'm gonna cut this camera off because it's getting long, and we'll catch y'all on the next pink lips.
Right.
Pretty pink lips. Pink lips. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.